Offsite manufacturing, how does it affect the safety within construction, the built environment? I'm Nick Horton, and on behalf of Sapphire, we're going to look at these points now. So safety comes down to two aspects. Firstly is safety on site during the construction phase and what is being done about the product to make sure that you can design it correctly so that it's easy to install and safe to install. The second part of the safety is once the occupation of the building happens, is making sure that the construction project is suitable and safe for the duration of its life. What we want to avoid is people working on leading edges and aspects like that, designing it out by clever innovation and products which connect well together is certainly a key part of that, and that's a role which innovation has in the safety of construction. Offsite processes are generally designed around the building of the product itself. However, most companies which are very innovative in their approaches will have considered the way that connects into the building, but not only the way it connects, but also how that process is done, using automated remote locking devices, which mean that a balcony can be connected to a building. Taking the other part of safety, the safety during the lifespan of the building, obviously a lot of this is very relevant to the maintenance, and maintenance needs to be considered within the design of any product to make sure that it can be maintained and safely maintained and inspected on an ongoing basis. The second part of making sure that you've got the safety there is really about how the balcony or component is built in the first place. So building a product on site means that there's certain scrutiny which is applied by a project manager. Now it may not be their area of expertise, they may not know necessarily what that product should be and what good looks like. Taking a product off site will make a big difference to this process. Why? Well, we all know that cars are built to a high standard and very controlled environment. We wouldn't dream or would certainly be shocked if a new car turned up on a driveway and was starting to be assembled by somebody. With a balcony, that's certainly no different. Having controlled environments and any construction product, having an off-site manufacturing environment which is specific to that product means that you're going to get a much tighter controlled process, so that when you dispatch it and get it to the building, it has been thoroughly done by maybe a passport app which checks every stage of that production process. So off-site manufacture should be a benefit in most cases to it, but that does depend on the ability and the quality systems of picking up those defects and rectifying them. And really that comes down to company behaviour and the ability to understand the quality control processes